Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Skylar, all the way from Coils with Skylar. If you are new to this channel, please hit that like, comment and subscribe button to follow how we make this little bunch grow bigger and help you with your DIYs in the kitchen. Today I am going to unbox my Ambunu. So Ambunu is an African herb from Chad. So today this video will be a short video, but I would like to introduce the Ambunu to my channel and talk a little about my steamer. So guys, I am low porosity, high density, and basically I have a lot of hair on my head, even though it doesn't look like this. This coils is 5 to 7 days old. It is a red y'all. I was waiting for my Ambunu to arrive, so I have my Ambunu here. I bought it from Take a Lot. It cost me like 100 bucks. So basically, while I'm unboxing, I don't know much about Ambunu. It's new to my channel, it's new to me. I've heard so much of Ambunu on YouTube and I decided, wait, why not check it out, because I have low porosity here. So, what the hell guys? What's this? Anyway, it's just so satisfying to open a box, especially when it's new and red. So I tried to open. So let me just open the entire box for you guys. What we have in the box is just paper and the box. For the big reveal. Guys, yes she is. Ambunu. So basically this is Azanian. I don't know if I'm saying it correctly. Azanian queen made for your natural crown. Ambunu powder promotes hair growth, softens the hair, prevents dry scalp and dandruff. I think I kinda struggle with the itchy scalp. I hope that will help. Detangles hair, I've seen that before. Reduces hair loss. It's a 125 grams and this is how it looks. So, done and dusted. So it does have like these two little things. Let me just see if you can see that. You see that holes there? Basically that holds us to tear and open. I'm gonna open it now with you guys and let's see how it smells like. I love it. I really love tearing things like this and just open it. Okay, so basically, and then you just like a zip type of thing. I don't know what you call it. Oh, and there's the Ambunu powder. I don't know if you can see it. There you go, the Ambunu powder. Let me feel the texture. It's very fine, but whew. Damn.
He needs some milk.
Wait, it has a green tea type of taste. Oh, I've smelled this before. It has a, I don't know if it's a tea, but It does smell like a tea, like a green tea type of vibe. Oh, it smells very nice, guys. So basically, this is you get the leaves, you get the powder. It's not that fine at all. I think I must just like show you. I know you can't see, but let me just put some in my hand and show you guys. So yeah, guys, this was my unboxing. If you are new to Ambunu like me, comment down below and tell me how was your first experiences for the Ambunu. Just a quick story. My steamer, guys, everyone is asking me about the steamer. Oh my goodness, guys, I don't know. Comment down below, let me know if you would like me to do a pros and cons on this garment steamer that I'm having, that I currently maneuvered into my deep conditioning. I have to say there is a lot of benefits to this steamer for the low porosity girls and the guys like me. So let me know down in the comment section below, and thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you.